For me, direct method is
No,
better.
if you have learned the direct method, this is easy. But if it is a 5-digit number, 4-digit number, if it is a 3-digit number, 3-digit number or 2-digit number, then direct method is difficult at this age. Once you grown up to go higher classes, obviously you can do it and you have to do this only. But in the learning stage, if it looks difficult, if you are not able to get the answer taking time, then don't waste your time, go for this method. This is very easy. Though steps are more, easily you will get the answer. So today we are going to discuss the divisibility. I am going to share some questions here. Okay. If you have the time, you can write. Otherwise, I will send the questions along with the answers. So don't worry. Look at the first question. This I will share after the class. So don't worry about this. If you have no time to copy, don't worry, write afterwards. First, listen and answer to me. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Walmart took a loan from a friend to buy a moped, which is 9,588. 9,588. Okay. She has to pay it back in equal amounts every month for 6 months. She has to return it in 6 months. She has to close. So every month, how much she has to pay? Every month, how much she has to pay? What is the monthly EMI? That is the question. Every month she has to pay. 6 months. Total amount to be divided into 6 months. That means division with 6 you have to do. Division with 6 you have to do. How you do? Many methods are there. I mentioned 2 methods are there. You no need to copy these 2. You can give your own methods also. Okay. 9,000 is there. 6 is there. I would like to go with 1,000 first. 6 into 1,000. 6,000. 3,588. With 1,000, I am getting 600. If I go with 500, I will get 3,000 because half of 1,000 is 500. No, so half of 6 will be 3,000. That will be 588. 588. Now 6 is there. Next, how to do? If I take 100, becomes 600, but 600 is more than this. So instead of 100, I can take a small number. I can take 90. I can take 80. Anything you can take. 6 8 the 48. So add everything, you will get the answer.
Sir, I got the answer. 1,598.
Yes. This is one method I have shown there also on the screen. Instead of 1,000 directly, you can go with 500. It is up to you. 150. Anything you can take.
Okay, sir. Sir, even I got 1,598.
8. That's right answer. 1,598 is the right answer. Two methods are there. One method I did, one more method is there that you can copy. If it is done, shall I move to next question?
Yes, sir.
2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes.
So what is the meaning of moped?
Moped. Scooty.
Oh,
Moped was the vehicle which used to have olden days. Nowadays, mopeds are not in the market. You can Google it. You will get moped shape. Moped means like a scooty. Both men and women can go ride on that. Moped means like a TVS, small vehicle. Now, second question. (976) are going for a picnic. They will be taken in the minibus. 25 students in one bus. How many buses are needed? When this question is given for two students, both the students have tried and they gave the solution. You have to check whether they made mistake or not. If they have done the mistake, you have to correct it. Two type of divisions I have mentioned there. Please go through the mention. You no need to divide this. You check the division, don't divide. You check the division, is it right or wrong? If it is wrong, you have to mention why it is wrong, where it is wrong. Then finally you can give the correct answer. (976 by 25). Two students try to give the answer. You have to check whether they did right or wrong. where they have gone wrong, are able to identify? I have told you not to multiply, not to divide. First to check where they have gone wrong.
So the first one, the 39 is the answer, sir. But the one child will not be in the bus, sir. The one child will be extra. Sir, I know where did they go wrong, sir.
Yes, I have given the answers here. I have explained where they have gone wrong. First one, he went wrong at the end. First one, he says remainder 0, which is not correct. X means 0, that is 0 symbol.
Yes,
First one, he did everything right, but finally he got 0 there, which is wrong. Remainder 1 you will get. Second one, he went wrong at 2 steps. 125 he got, which is wrong. 25 into 4 is 100, not 125. And
Yes, sir,
25 into 1 is 100 he took, which is also wrong.
So the big one, sir, the third method in which the remainder is 1, sir, that one is right, sir.
The third one is the right solution. Because
Yes,
he's asking where they have gone wrong. If they have gone wrong, you have to give the right solution. So the third one is the right solution. Remainder 1 you will get 29 buses plus 1 student will left. For 1 student, we cannot have 1 more bus. So we have to be adjusted him in the any one of the buses. He can be accommodated to sit somewhere in the bus. If there is no place, we can ask him to sit in the driver's seat also. Okay.
Yes.
Can we do that?
Yes, sir, we can do. Why can't we do it, sir?
So you can ask him to sit in the driver's seat. Then who will drive?
Sir, driver seat, sir, there is also a seat, sir. Extra.
I am asking driver seat, not adjacent or beside.
But then he had to only drive, sir. Then.
So if there is no place, we can ask him to sit under the bus types.
Or stand.
So 39 buses plus 1 extra bus not possible. So we can accommodate him in any one of the 39 buses, adjusting the seats.
Sir, we'll bring a bus which is a bit more larger. Sir, we'll bring a bus which is a bit more larger than all.
It is not larger. The number of seats in bus are fixed. 25 seats are there. Only 25 can be accommodated. So we have to ask him to adjust somewhere. The main question is not how many buses. The main question is you have to see where is the wrong. In division, where students can go wrong. You have to check. Answer everything is there. Don't copy this. You can do it later. I have done whatever they have done. I shown here and I have shown where they have gone wrong. If this is done, can I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Isha has 1,000 rupees with her. She wants to buy petrol of 1 liter, petrol 47. How much petrol she can buy? How many liters of petrol she can buy? 47 rupees. You have to divide and check. Of course, I gave the answer, but you have to check. 1,000 rupees is the amount we have. Liter petrol is 47. Now the liter petrol in the market is 108 rupees. When this textbook, NCERT textbook was written, on those days it was 47. Okay, so that is the story of 20 years ago. And 1000 divided by 47. How many liters we will get? You can do direct division or indirect division. Choice is yours. 1000 rupees divided by 47. If I take 20 into this, 20 into 47.
470. No, sir, not 470, sir.
940.
940, 940, 940.
940. Twenty-one liters of petrol. Some change is there, which is very small number to this. So that change will be there. 21 liters, and you will get 13 rupees back to you. Next division. The whole chapter is about divisions only. Children are happy today. They are celebrating Children's Day. Each child will give 4 colored pencils from the school. School brought 969 pencils. 969 pencils should be distributed. Four pencil to one student. So if we are giving 4 pencils to one student, to how many students we can distribute? 4 pencils to one student out of 969 pencils. Divide and get the answer. You can do any division, direct or long division, choice is yours. 100, 400, 569, again 100, 400, 169, 100 plus 100, 169, 4 just 60. So I can go for that. 9, 4 2 8. 1 pencil will be left, no problem. Total how many? We can distribute 4 pencils to each to 242 students. 242 students will get pencils. 4 pencils each.
Sir, the answer is 242.
Yes, I did.
Sir, even I got the answer 242.
Yes. Next question. 576 books. 576 books. They have to be kept in boxes. Each box 24 books. So 24 books in one box.
Sir, 24 only. One box will hold 24 books.
24 books in one box. How many boxes are needed? Do it anyway.
24.
Who is there singing songs? Who is that? Is it Abhinav?
Sujata.
Sucheta. What is this? Always you ask others to mute and you are making noise there in the class. "24 boxes. The whole chapter is about division. Just keep on dividing and check the answers. "836, 44 rows. You can divide any way. You can do directly or indirectly, long division. Anything is okay.
Sir, I even got the answer of the second one, sir. 836 people watching movie in a hall, sir. I got the answer of it.
Yes, I too got
Sir, I got 19.
19. 44 rows are there. In one row, 19 people.
Sir,
are
19.
sitting. In one row, 19 people are sitting.
Sir, first 10, then 9.
10, 9. Directly you can do it. Or part by part. I did 10, then 5, then 4. Like that I did. Done these two.
Yes, sir.
You just do the division for practice. You can copy this afterwards once I send.
Sir, I am just saying the answer. I'm doing the answer, sir, and I'm saying I'll do it in afterwards. Sir.
Okay, next one. Just do the division now. Only division. 458 apple trees. You want to plant 15 trees in each row. 15 in one row. So 458 divided by 15. Divide by 15. Got the answer?
Not on. Sir, 1 minute, sir. I am. Sir, I got the quotient as 30 and the remainder as 8.
8. It is not completely divisible, so you will get some remainder extra. 8 is the remainder.
Yes, sir. 8 is the remainder.
Shall I move to next?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
This also same thing. Divide, get the remainder and quotient.
Sir, the remainder is 8.
Now, again, remainder 8. Quotient?
Sir, quotient is 83. Sir, quotient is 83 and the remainder is 8.
Yes, 83 is the quotient. You can do directly or step by step.
Sir, step by step is a bit lengthy, but it is easy, sir. So I did
Yeah.
step by step.
That's why I'm giving choice to you only. Whichever method you comfortable, you can do it. No force at all. Next one, simple multiplication question.
Sir, it will fill 7,500 liters, sir.
Yes.
Water will be filled in 25 tanks. If 15 buckets can fill one tank, how many buckets? 25. 25.
The next question is about division, about multiplication, not about the division. He says a tank is full of 300 liters of water. One tank contains 300 liters. What about 25 tanks? 300 liter in one tank. 25 tanks. 25 tanks means 25 into 300, that is 7,000 liters. Number of buckets that can be filled with one tank of water.
Sir,
With one tank,
375.
with one tank, 15 buckets can be filled. If 25 tanks are there, 25 into 15, that will give number of buckets. Multiplication,
Sir,
25 into 15.
in tanks, sir, I got 7,500 and in buckets, I got 375.
Yes, it's a simple question. With one tank, 15 buckets can be filled. 25 tanks are there, so how many buckets can be filled? Next also a sweet question. Sweet in mathematics.
Yes, sir. Sir, you even did the food names, sir, like idli, pur and something, sir.
There are 28 laddus
Yes,
in 1
sir.
kg. 1 kg box will contain 28 laddus. In 12 kg, how many laddus will be there? 28 in one box, 1 kilo, 12 kilos. 336 laddus. Next,
So my answer is 336.
16 laddus in one box. Okay, one box, 16 laddus. So 336 laddus should be divided into 13 box. Into 16. 336, 16 in one box. So divide. Twenty-one. Exactly 21 boxes are needed so that one box may have 16 laddus.
Sir, for me, 21, give the question.
Here.
Yeah. You just do the multiplication division. The working, everything you can do later. I will share this. Look at this. This is not a problem. One question is there, followed by 3 questions. From that question, out of these 3, which is the best question to ask? You got my point?
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir.
352 children from a school. Listen. 352 children from a school went for a trip. Each tent group of 4 children. Then what should be the best question? Each tent
How
4
many
children.
tents?
Then how many tents are needed? That is the question. You can't ask how many children each tent, which is already in the question. How many children are there? Already given in the question. So what is the best question can be asked? If you want, you can divide and get the answer afterwards.
How many tents are needed?
How many tents are needed? That is the best question to ask. Cost of one book is 47 rupees. One person buy 23 books. So the best question is one book 47, 23 books are purchased. Means what is the cost? 47 into 23. So you should ask what is the amount he paid for the books. Like that. Other 2 are meaningless. I have put the tick mark also for the right question. What best you can do? What you have to do is find the solution, find the answer for that question. In all the 3, the reasonable questions, meaningful questions are marked. You have to answer them. Okay. Last question. Check the results by multiplication. See, I will tell you what is the meaning of this question.
Sir, I know, sir. If we multiply quotient and the number, sir, then we will get the answer. Like 9 into 48 or 48 into 9. 438. But 6 will be the remainder.
See, in the division always there is one division algorithm is there. What it says, when you divide a number with a number, you are dividing, the big number is called dividend. With which number you are dividing, that is called divisor. Whatever you are getting here is called quotient. Whatever the balance you are getting is called remainder. If our division is correct, then dividend will be always quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is a rule. Quotient into divisor. 48 into 9 plus remainder 2. 48 into 9, 4. 48, this is 6, no? 432 plus 6. which is 438. Yes. 438 is the answer. When you have a doubt whether the division is right or wrong, then what are the ways to verify? One easy thing is you can ask your friend who is sitting adjacent, right or wrong. If you ask him in the exam, he will be debarred. So don't do that. You can verify in this way. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Out of 6, A is done here, done in the screen also. The remaining you have to do like this. Divide, get remainder and quotient, then check according to this formula. Quotient into divisor, these two multiplication plus remainder. These two multiplication plus remainder. These two multiplication plus remainder has to give this number, the big number, which is called as dividend. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow we are going to have an extra class. During
Okay, sir.
during music period. Okay.
Sir, Malti ma'am said that Malti ma'am is gonna take.
Yes, sir.
No,
Malti ma'am.
no. Tomorrow
Yes,
we are going to take maths class 9 o'clock. Already we spoke to Vasu sir, he said he will give. So tomorrow 9 o'clock you will be having the mathematics class. I will spoke to Malati madam how that confusion came. Okay, so tomorrow you will be having the mathematics class. If any change, let you know. But as of now, you will be having mathematics class so that we can start the new chapter. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
tomorrow and Tuesday, your syllabus will be done.
Okay, sir.
This whatever I taught now, I am going to share this. Please go through. Fujifa wants a joke. Is the time is there?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So instead of joke, we will do division only.
Sir, in the
Sir.
WhatsApp send us, right? I'm not 30 heads and 100 legs.
Yeah, yeah. What is the? No one gave the answer from your section.
Sir, 30 animals.
Huh?
Sir, there are
30 heads, 100 legs. 20 animals, 10 birds. This is the answer. 20 animals, 20 into 4, 80 legs. 10 birds, each bird will have 2 legs, unless legs are broken. 20. So, 100. Okay.
sir, if one of the bird has a broken leg, then
This question I am asking with conditions apply. If no physically handicapped animals legs are there. That's why I told you, no conditions apply. Okay, now since we are doing division, I will ask one question. You assume any 3-digit number of your choice. Your choice. Any 3-digit number of your choice.
Okay, sir.
Now, if you tell the number, I will tell you what you assumed. Tell the number. I will tell what you have assumed.
okay, sir, I chose a
Sir,
number.
You can't understand my question. You assume a
No.
3-digit number. You assume a 3-digit number
No,
of your
sir.
choice. If you tell what you have assumed, I will tell you the answer.
okay,
If
sir.
this is the number, sir, you
Sir, 355.
Okay, you assume the number 357. Over. That is not the question. Okay, assume a 3-digit number. Write the same number besides it.
sir, me.
Write the same number besides it.
Okay, sir, I wrote.
Whatever the number you wrote, write the same number besides it. Now I am going for a division, completely division. Since we are doing division, I want to give division problem only. There is an interesting mathematical rule. Whatever the 3-digit number you wrote, if you repeat the same number, that number is always divisible by 7. You divide, it is completely divisible. You will get some quotient. It is a big division, no? I will help you in doing this. Suchita has taken 357, wrote 357 again, divided by 7.
Sir,
Then,
I got the number.
Yes, sir.
So I got 95.
listen. This question I will do with one example. It's a lengthy question. You can try later. You can ask your friends to assume a number, write the same number, ask them to divide by 7. They will get some quotient. They no need to tell. Now the interesting rule is, whatever the quotient you are getting, that is divisible by 11. After 7, 11, they are called prime numbers. Whatever you are getting, that will be divisible by 11 for sure. You will get quotient 4641. Now 4641, whatever the quotient you are getting, that is divisible by 13. If it is divisible by 13, what is the quotient you are getting?
357.
What is the answer?
357.
What I got?
357, sir.
What was the number taken in the beginning? What was the number taken in the beginning?
357, sir.
What the answer you got?
357.
Yes. So this trick you can play with your friends. Of course, they should be good at divisions, because this is a big division. Ask them to assume a number, write the same number, ask them to divide with 7. Then ask them to divide with 11. This quotient is there, no? You take this quotient, you divide by 13, you can tell the answer, what they have taken. Okay. That's all for today class. Tomorrow we will have the extra class. I will inform you in advance. Okay.